Your producer, your friend, Mr. Obobi. And then I know Madame Fubi Ekano, and they are 21st November 2025. And if you are the Boja, and the Quambia so I was intimi and Yeni. Yeah, you made that could be seen if you are diamond. Ebeji and Quambia so. And then Quambia so, Yadeka Trabe Gufem, Okoso Bafem, Umpo. Emo Manya, and the Unia Sania. I'm more quite by Bessa so by Jibrani Adajana, what can who could say in Jumadian Bacona, and come more than name whom Hamia de Brow, young Quenny, Bisabus, for the son of pay. You chop?
Me, I no pay, yes, I didn't you. Anyway, Yamiadro, my whole day no from there. Was a DC in Amakasa, modern work from, but a general didn't quite enti everade twotwobozi yankopon oton so ba wi na yeda na se na no pay e na no pay so e kya yetiefo nyina omunkoso ane ya ntina fisa bre ya kosise no nkono e beboni asori dwumedi no so sports park enso atwaso as usual ene eye fieda yesre rade se wonga obi bia ho sa bre ya eja ye mudodo na efifie akoye nnwuma so no everade enhira ye onche na nso obi bia so ye bekoso ado obi bia se omunkoso so ene yentina beautiful green no mechia wo mpa
the beautiful green no yeda say ene wafutusem ene enkoma odi ahye yendwumadi na se na busu onim dada ya na no pase ye tenase na ye hia nkoma emu ode na emu hwam enkoma ebeboa ye na yendwumadi bia yedi na hodin bia ye wo ewo ye mu ntie ya na ye ba ne se ya na eho behia se ye be hye eho nkran anopa yenkwa hamane so na ye ne Malam Abdul Samad atwetwe komwe na yenkra hye sama anopa yi Malam emfama ye nafia da ye wi na afi yakọ mosque na yakosum ala Malam anopa ye mu ache
alhamdulillah mapunye
adom ye ho ye pa na nso
alhamdulillah obi ahụ ye da otufo nyakopasi
ami yo anopa de Malam wadaro ma yentie o wafutu sem nkra hye sama ode ma ya anopa yi.
So alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulika wa ba'd assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yedi asidama otufo nyakopon ama wama adiachi yesiram se ombo yoban na omma ya hondi nia omoda hospital nyakopon mo hondi doctors are obesho mu omusu nyakopon mo ahondi anytime yeso ayenanti yekoye ba nyakopon sa omma ya hondi so obia onko wasumjimu no ombere wasumjimu Ghana nyakopon fetina si wasumjimu inshallah kakra yawa yebeka eni ye komiseni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam I device here one day or device no companions on our culture muse obia hye na takrama yi ena omo bisa no say ebeden on a tiro muse utakrama yi edi ubeko bibia a wonim so obedu utakrama yi atimuda odetumi edi nipa akwa heavy obetumi so edi nipa akwa abonsajam even ewiase akurapo ye takrama yi amma obi no sese omun ye kronfo omun fashu omun ye shi but on takramanti sese o prison ana o cells ontla adiachi yenyina yenhye ye takrama yi anything se ubre wanu a se na ube kasa hona na udi hona na kasa den na ukachire nipan uye obi a nipa ti wasem na den na efru wanu eba yenyina yenhye yi because se one shey ya unhu ni se one ka papa unhu papa yenyina yembo ye humodi na shey tekramasu one day one of us scholars was school mu omo ya dokosem awo tekramasu osi titifonu obi na okọ ewura mo bush mu okomu nipa teripe ewo dua bisu ena obi sa atiru no say den na odi uba ena tiri no ka tire no say nenem of forsun for the third time ena tiri no ka tire no manu ena edi ni ba ha entra ade no ye papa no hwanwa odwane ekokrom okohu krom ohin no ewo ho oka tire no say mi ko bush because hu nipa teripe a okasa ohin no ka tire no say ebe de na nipa teripe akasa osi wa hu anka obeka kire ohin no omunyina mbra na omunko hu anwanwade ntra before ye be ko no ye ka kire se ye ko na se tiri no enkasa ye be wode o si ye ntwa no tiri ono so ntra mpa ye ko ye omudu bushi no omko hu nipa tiri no pe adonwade efiri de na eba ha so ye bisa no se so okasa si ai okay for no kasa si so bisa tiri no de na odi ba ha no talk de na odi ba ha ohin any nipa omobile omunyina epere so ye say agreement ye de be adwuma so nipa no so ni tiri enya dua bi edisi so ena eda ni tiri mienu ho obi akoye oye kum ena tiri data no ka kire tiri fufu mu se me ka kire o se manu ena edi ni ba ha so se wa na edi wo ba so adiati ye nyina ye nhye anu yi oba wo aware fi a hye wanu yi ebema nhira ba ware mu oberima osu hye wanu yi ebema wo yire bedo ba se wanu bru wanu kan ye mfata se wonka the problem but special we dey said mu journalist for ya musu mun hye motakra ma yi enye sa ema the problem eba kurum nyina na adani we any kakra ye wa ebeka wassalamu alaikum yami shiramu bebre
yo Malan Samada no pay bedo asenu afutu sem no nkran hye semade ama Max FM atiefo no pay da se pass ye from waje so ye da se pa yo ami enti Malam Samada na na twetwe nkoma na no pay wa ma nkran hye sem a ye de 90 man defia da no kra nyina ne sanka defia da ye ntufo nanso na kwaye ye nuano muslimi fo da ntiaja ena yo mukwasi ada ntiene na enkomo na ba yie pa ebetie enkomo ya Malam ade aba su de na chese ne kwan so etoda yanum asem enkomo ya na ye ka efa yanum ebre amane epi Malam na pa ye da se ye hye obo se ye betu nkran ye be hye ye betu hu na monso ye be hye anu ne ye nkasa yie toda nso ama no so du issue omo wo se ntimi mpem komo a emu oda be ka kire omo meto ase ti waka yate ati Malam no pay da se ni nkran hye se man no pay
Welcome to Friday Morning.
All right, I'm saying Queen na ye ne abusuafo na ntwetwe nkomo ye bi so ma no pen nkomo ahodo be na ba be pie mu e wo man mu na poso ne dwonku ene na batwa mo fa man na no pen Queen mpamcha no pen mo ho te sen
Kuminyame adom me ho ye
ahode wo ho
pa bre na ma bre
changes ahode wo ho ba so voice ho fa ma dey
me see bre na ma bre but ahode wo ho pa
adwuma be na wo aye ntia ba
Endo ye me no wan na yeti fi
ene no kre
na muti fi ha mo gidai
adwuma na
Endo morning show for nyina da na evening show for
Are
every hantem
enra HR ehu ye no se die morning show for da ne evening show
for
and evening show for mo so ada ne
morning show for
ayo me ka say yenko not so say na bebre na hye
kwana ho
nti enra me wa ha till say me sure say 6 p.m. and ana
maybe if you have to 7
oh okay
if you after 7 anyone free until
me ma bre
me di adwuma na me da boso
ayo da ma won packet ya
man tia me kakra me pe
eno ana nga wadwuma yo da ma won packet ya
ti mo de boso we mo pe kra
ya oji afa bre ye
ya be che
men de kra
da bi e ba sa yesu entimi nkwaji
ye betie
yesu entimi nkwaji
me de check company no
o say
de check
na wa ya no ye edwuma so we hu ye mobo de wo de Jennifer
company na me hu ne mo
okay eno say eno say
wo de ama mo beti se mo frem ma beti me nka
obedadai
me ka just me sheda ntia fosa me srew ne wada worumba wo de yenko no straight wati
and then Friday so na yenko ni street
yenko ni straight
na
me
OTV.
Anya no sare no studio how.
Dance na side and side no so ya na mo kan for say o corner side and side so ya straight na ya na
Ya corner side and side na che dodo. Ya say wo ya bo ho ama ho atete. Nti ye nko ni street.
What it
Ho atete.
ya mo ho na ntutu prekwan
Na bi.
Kumi, let's go into
hey
today's
friend let's go to him fa when him re
But it's a chive.
Emma then be kwa na ma mi
And ya man be go there. My friends say.
my friend, you are not my friend.
What's that? Mama acting career about.
Pamcho say obi an hoye de anapa ye kwa ni man koma hodo ababe pie mo ma mi yemfa so me ye tiefo ye kwa ni.
So a very good morning to our cherished listeners. I believe they are also doing very well. From Monday, the news headlines that brought us Saturday being Friday, want to sum it up with what we got, informations we got around the world yesterday and even this morning. Today being 21st of Friday, 9 days to end November. Wow. Yes. December. Wow.
Sana bosum we di America ye hwe bibi anim no ma momfa manu nsi bosum we so na bibi ankoche.
Oh, nothing will happen.
Nothing. And you're not here, says, see, I can wear your junior or destiny work at Yano. Ah, never said, see, I was at the Bobney. Anyway,
moving to our news headlines for this morning, beginning with the general news as always. OSP Twarin Oforiata, 7 others on Monday, November 24. Over 78 counts corruption case. Joy News.
Joy News and anyway batch let's say one HSA special prosecutor Kisi Ejaben and Enei Wokunchire and Sem Egu and Krata so etia Yewura Ken Ofori ata ankane na woye woman sika sem so soafo ene enipa mienu miense bia eka ho a chese kwadu a wode bo wonom eye kwadu mako eye 78 a ni nyina eye ketasehye kronobo dwirim ene proya ye hwe ne mu say November bosumi etoso ne da etoso aduonu enan ye betumi e de na kogina semdibia.
Away from that, Court of Appeal frees Assemblyman in Major Mahama case, murder case, Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ene ensemi eba say yebeka ya 2017 bosumi ana eye May ena ukopiem ewo Central Region posini ana se sojani a wodi ni dwuma ekopiem wo honom a kire se obi nim ne ekoba ya enipakuo bi ekokum posi sojani ya kire se ekoye nsem bebre ya ewi a kire kura ye hu se oh se na wo sojani kese pa Major Maxwell Mahama eneyi ababeto dwa se assemblyman na owo eye apadentro honom a courto ehye se wonfa no nkotum eye ne nkwa na nyina ewa afiase na wonsan ensom no se Court of Appeal ama papai eye bill na se wa free no wa January wo kire se eye ade se nensem no enka se de omusidi kwadu no bo no ankoyi asese de Court of Appeal ejai eye assemblyman ya wafa no ho adi. Daily Graphic na ekunchire bi egu nkrata so a ye kenkan bi edi amamu.
Health Ministry sets roadmap to close gap in sickle cell disease management. Daily Graphic. Daily
Graphic kronwa na kasansem we ya ukopiemu ewo apomudin no aso ya sesei wo de enhyehyeye ene akade egu akwamu yie pa eye sickle cell ya empempie ne yefe ne SS no wo kire se eyade a ehun nsem eje entre ha ewo omaiga na mu yie papa pa wo hwe na wo ya nhyehyeye na watimi asi yade yi afenso aboho eban enso. Daily Graphic na carry.
Moving to the Ghana Police Service. Police addresses technical issues in 2025 recruitment processes. Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times and on so a worker we are watcher say a year aposi a year jumakuno and a nay watcher say a year recruitment and now one me not as a belful and tinta video so a war faso a diafa a nipa apa posi a jumakuno a ya dear say now one tinta video so one a nyaniama bakumi and sabia and to me a majumedian enco so as a say dear watcher say and she say egwa kwamu deden dia se say e yes a hitches no anaasɛ saa akwansideɛ no wɔnom ɛyɛ firi hɔ nom a recruitment no ɛkɔ so yie.
Armed robbers attack soldiers, passengers on Berekum Drobo Highway, Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times ɛna de wei aba a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wokɔpie mu ɛwɔ Berekum ɛna afei nso so Drobo kwantempɔn no so a ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ nano ada akwantufoɔ bi a wɔnom etu kwan afiri Berekum akɔpie mu ɛwɔ Drobo ɛkwan so ɛna kwamukafoɔ ɛkɔhyehyɛ wɔn so a bus anaasɛ car wɔn ti mu no soja ni kura ɛka ho akyerɛ sɛ akrɔmfoɔ ɛyɛ wɔn mfomfram.
Police arrest 16 suspects in major crime crackdown in Tamale. Joy News.
Joy News ɛna ɛka wei a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wokɔpie mu ɛwɔ atifi mantam a wɔn kɔpɔn mu Tamale ɛna ene aposifoɔ akyere enipa mako dunsia 16 a wɔde soboɔ ɛbɔ wɔn mu ɛfa abɔnefosɛm koronosɛm ɛne awudusɛm a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ.
Back to the Greater Accra region, man who stabbed firefighter during Ghana blaze remanded. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic ɛna ɛkyerɛ sɛ asɛmi deɛ de yɛne de akyira ɛyɛ odumgya adwuma yɛku a wɔnom ekɔdumgya ɛwɔ Adwinga no ya ɛno wɔ East Legon ya ekɔ wie akyire enipa bɔnfoɔ bi ɛkɔdi sekan ɛkɔwɔ ɛyɛ adwuma yɛni baako ɛnɛ yi deɛ wɔnom akyere no asese ne nsɛm yegusu a yɛdi a emprempre deɛ enipa ya yakyere ni ya yesusu sɛ wɔno ɛna de sekan ɛwɔ odumgya adwuma yɛkuo ni no ɛnɛ yi wɔda so ɛwɔ aposifoɔ akachi a yaremande no.
Away from general news to business news, Ghana's economy grew at a rate of 51% in August 2025. Joy Business.
Joy Business ɛna ɛka wei a wobɛpie mu ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana mu a ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ ɔman Ghana yɛn economy anaasɛ yɛn asetena mu ɛkɔ yie papaapa sese yi yɛwɔ ɔha mu abupan mu num akyiri pɔ baako asat bosome August mu a mpanimfoɔ anaasɛ Ghana Statistical Service ɛyɛ wɔn nhyehyɛ yie ɛne nti ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ sese ɔman Ghana mu yɛn economy no etumi egyina ne naso yie pa. Joy News ɛna ɛka wei.
Restore road tolls, embrace PPS to fund Accra Kumasi Expressway. Prof. Korte, City Newsroom.
Prof. Korte, City Newsroom, and the way so by what should I say? A yadia say, a year tolls a hood one and penning for a year free a quemwa hood wɔnom ensan enfamra sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ a wɔmone ankran kradwuma yɛku adravafoɔ ebetumi aka bom na ɔmonya sika ɛde ayɛ Ghana ya kwantempɔn ahodoɔ no atitiri ɛne enkran ne kumase kwantempɔn no.
To our international news, Nigeria closes school in Kwara State amid rising insecurity.
Ukopie mu ɛwɔ Nigeria wɔnom state baako a ɛwɔ hɔ ɛfrɛ no Kwara State ɛna eneyi wɔnom ato ɛyɛ suku ahodoɔ no amu ne nyinaa ɛne sɛ abɔnefosɛm ɛne awudisɛm ayɛ adeɛ sɛ ama ne humne so yie hɔ papaapa. Africa News ɛkunkyire bi agu nkrataa so a wɔde aba yɛ kenkan akyerɛ mu.
To our last story on the international front, signs of easing tension between Senegalese president and Prime Minister. Africa News.
African News and Ebosa Manie ya ukopie mu ewo Senegal wonom mampani a ewo honomu eneyi wode atuja wo kire se eya ade se na eye tension anase pressure ewo papa yisu yie pa ni nyina ne se waye na adwene se wonti obia eni nti no afutuo pa friend afutuo papa entie bi enam so ema ni ministers a woni onum eye adwuma esoriti aye papa eneidie waba fom a woni ni ministers edi enkomo ne kasasie sede be ya amamu nso ebetumi akoso ewo oman Senegal.
So these are the stories we came with this morning, and we'll be going into one major story for discussion. Bruno.
Minia.
My story about the
oh, me story a me de bema assemblyman say court of appeal no say wonko ni nyina eni say said ye mpanimfo de so bobo no aiding and abetting ho nsensem ekɔwi akire no ye sentence in life no ya review ne nsem na na say ya hwe ne nsem ni mu ama sesi ye hu say said ye sikwa no kra no entisa enti ye gya no well me nso misusu say the fact say ye gya no nkyere say bia ne ho son bebre because that action na it take place it was mob action and it clearly indicates say na oka ho bi onka ho kra mpo no a
Your voice should be louder.
Yes.
Munjaya.
Say ninja ye de abetin. I can't nequal do no no. And I believe say in as much as say a jano no yen sign coso and she shen simnimu or be bias at that time on uncle cahono. Yen bring the person into book na say justice and casano into me engagement because yeah. You know, yet see brave.
Barbara. Barbara Mahama. Initially, now like meeting like Hunika Karaka, just say.
They say they were penny baby at Sina, or penny baby at Sina.
What crowd of fees
no quick,
still on your bema.
Minty mention. Maybe they minty mention a minimum brabum. Why?
Yana man,
baby man.
Oh, dear, I said it is on the penny bema.
Kumi.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Abrabo, Kumi.
I said, Papa, we
2017.
2017, right?
2017.
8 years in
it.
Yeah.
Asa.
And no because I say, for a look of things, I say, Kumi, or better January.
No, I think it's 9 years.
And
it's 2017.
2017.
25 now.
8 years.
It's 8 years.
Now, two bet me at 8 years.
It depends on what morning what that one to know. Meanwhile, in what the Busa Miss Hasabun. Meanwhile, what the Busa Miss Hasabun.
Some kind of love story here.
Okay, when me by me back. Be on one day, and now so dinner ni chen wa obi awa.
Yeah.
Otu so one day so do any chambon some.
And I say me di many chambons akwa sa bond no eni me ni be mantem. Enti ni say
the bond of 1844.
I know right.
Be intend maka say me twa 8 years and I say me twa 8 years. What you say? We no ye solely you. What you say?
I don't know say that.
You see, some love stories are there that like I know people who have lost their spouse. And I imagine someone. I'm worried. Me, Madam Fubi.
I'm more how they say.
Madam
Fubi. Where you are saying?
Onumpono.
Only guy there. Commission.
Now, kuna fuanchia. Inti se wadu nene se woko jenchia pe yere dia.
Uni Madam for until now. I won't say many times. Esi saibe you kawadi ama.
Nipa no a
Osida. The girl says she won't take till now. She's a young girl. See, she's married. Me can look free so many years. I think 6 or 7 years now. Obisa girl now. I just only the yaman only a brand in Niba.
Maybe there is more into it.
The guy was her everything, me education from correct like her scratch. That in the supporting the sound to be away drew. And on the guy in your engagement, I think the following week number a wedding. And the guy said meaty. That was it.
So headache nana guy need the free.
And you know what? The most. The guy. Oh, he's not based in Ghana. He's based in UK.
Oh, okay.
So by number your engagement, the next week number wedding, a guy need the free. So now girl also want to me worry. Not that men are not coming. Men are coming.
Ashana, so we know she needs counseling.
What's it?
She needs counseling. And what's that? What's not in that? And what's that? What's not in that? Osua. Osua. Or be admitted the fact say be man in your day.
And guy in chain almost. The guy in the birthday every year. Or calling us so tough flowers in your mouth. And she still has her ring on. We say I'm legally married. It will be say it will be very difficult for the person to move on. So could me there are cases like that. I'll be. Washri ne dofo o be ka se me worry biu
and you no anasem
na where all the talk I say Saturday na obenye bi yesie na wenye bi
o mintimi
and am so we yesie na wenye bi
out ya sikra na da se na
we mintimi a don't worry what if you also so ko job adon so
what can be e say bi pa
what is also go job adon so yo
hey I think
okay, then what can you find?
Story way so you better pana. And me really story mystery as I am robbers I attacking soldiers. No,
oh, me who video na me am Sam Roberts me for you serious. I'm Roberts in serious.
I'm Roberts I attacking soldiers. And they say yes civilians they say whoa.
Are you sure that it was really a soldier man? Because maybe video no. I was like, nothing shows. He say, well,
that
quote on
yes,
quote,
but maybe now
on share uniform. No, on share uniform. I don't know what me identify.
oh, they don't know. That's what I can answer.
Because passengers
but
now, passengers now been a
when was the last time who said soldier ni be at a car front? So who be a check?
Who be a check?
Once the first nanka soldier ni and a police in your coffee car.
What's not front? Yeah.
But it got to a time it do say and robbers air attack car now. The first person
soldier
attacking soldier.
So on they're threatening.
Until this time no advisable say we a soldier ni and now we
shame
Obe reserve na do ho afra civilians mu
ni office nko ade so no matter there
na chese why civilian
now they two kwan nti ene ye hia kwa ye hu say we soldier ni
and I think that one me nka say for boy
no omonta de shemu no ente se first no say na nanka obo say soldier ni
address kuntan
no car front and you do baby na ya maka na twam this time around ente sa because you do baby na ye ku omo pa you do say attack kana
because on my first target
minimum de me nya hu ayi but minim say bia na so mo shatade de a
on shatade
de sesa na beba
on shatade
e na ba ne sans on shatade na niema bi o ese ombre ho ase atesport because bia na won ye armed.
I think so.
And these people are
I think so.
Or if they get to know that you
he wasn't armed.
They'll kill you.
And then onyenyo
armed nko aye ma we but we no mo kura kode no.
Esa kura we no so.
Esa so kura bagani.
Esa so kura den.
Abagani.
Abagani ni dey.
Ye ja kumi wo fie ha.
Kumi we abagani ni dey wo hene. Eno ye dia.
Acting na kumi acting na ha ne papa.
Ha no, eno no dey odi na mu.
Ha no.
Den.
La se me nega so say me obeyela.
Obey.
O chere me video bi a just o chame ba.
Besi kura odi bi.
Eme ne besi. O he me dem me chingolo egu me.
Me chingolo na wa ba ko me chingolo ni ebi.
Che na se e besi.
We yada.
Uni me chingolo.
Oh, why not?
Unim so wi bi e be bo pa.
Bitako mka say bitakola na dey.
Oh. He.
Ma wi bi paint ya.
We ya wo kan.
Is it not bitter?
E ho aduro ba ko pa.
Me da dey paint.
Ma wi bi paint.
Anya o de.
Anya me de. Me akasa I can endure pain eh. Na eniema enwuno me enshada anya menwuno sa. And I'm always curious. I love to try, new things. Yeah, me adventure pa. Enti no.
It went to Nancy Banda.
Madumi na
hey. Undu ho me sa.
Yo. Enti Mary Bida.
All right.
Mary Bida.
Absafo be dem ase se bibia ni hode ane ye be kɔ anim na ye de nkɔmɔ aka kyerɛ nyina to aso de am atiefo se bibia ni hode a.
Bibia ni de be ka kyerɛtiefo ne say you should stay tuned for next week. Next week I mean Adom, so I will bring them latest news updates from across the world.
And then so e kakra be hia wo abebu ba kumienu bi wo ho e wasa ntimi me kyerɛkyerɛ no nti no. Kwayo research ahodo.
And the catcher when I'm going to be sassy.
Debbie.
I see kwayo research ni nyina say be aye frɛ wa I mean.
Yem person be kwa bi so bia.
What yes.
Mama me dey heading.
Oh Debbie oh. Why?
I'll use my
I'm quite sure and che be ba from.
That's it.
Right.
Yes if panyin ni hwe kra na wo den.
Panyin.
Oni hwe kra na wo den.
Aso we nyin dida.
Kwai.
Welcome to Friday morning. Max FM 89.7.
All right, I'm saying I'm na yɛmfa nkɔmɔ aka akyire nyinaa ntoa so ɛmfa ma wo. Max Morning you live on Max 89.7. Yɛnkɔ anim na afei. Na ɛnɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛnte nkɔmɔ yɛmfi hɔ afei yɛwia na afei nkɔmɔ aka akyire nyinaa yɛde atoa so de ama na yɛpɛ sɛ nkɔmɔ yi na yɛnte mfi hɔ anɔpa yi. Megidi pa sɛ nkɔmɔ yɛ nkɔmɔ a wɔwɔ ka bi da. Kamia yɛsɛ ewiase a yɛwɔ no obia pɛ sɛ ne wiase a ɔwɔ onyinkyɛ. Uti obia nkɔmɔ mu a asa uti obia 30 years, 40 years, 50 years anipa ne mpɛ. Obia nyanya nanka 80 years, 90 years, 100 years ne akyire. Kamia yɛsɛ obia pɛ sɛ onyinkyɛ. Ɛnɛ yɛ bisa saa denti no obia pɛ nyinkyɛ wɔ asase so. Nanso still no yehu sɛ ɛnamafoɔ mmabu ɛda so ewu. Obia koma mu ananka pɛ sɛ onyia kodu mpɛmpɛn so ɔno apɛ. Na ebedu sɛ baabi a madu die me fi wiase anka mepɛ. Obia pɛ nyinkyɛ. Adenti na obia na sɛ nipa da sɛ ni bi ɔte wiase ɛpɛ nyinkyɛ. Yɛ tri popa ne senti yɛ pɛ sɛ yɛ nyinkyɛ. Yaja pade ahodo a yenya na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛntena se na yɛndi anaase yɛsika ahodo a yɛabɔ mmɔden anya na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛdi. Ɛde enti no bia pɛ sɛ onyinkyɛ wiase yɛtiri mpɔ ne sɛn. Yɛnkɔ ahama ne so na yɛne Malam Aziz ɛntwetwe nkɔmmɔ. Malam Aziz edi ne dwumadie wɔ asaman kɛse ɛhɔ ɛna Malam Aziz ɛwɔ. Malam anɔpa yɛ mu akyɛ yɛ mu akɔ abɛde ba Max 89.7 yɛgyidie paasa anɔpa ho yɛ.
Mr. Kumi, obo de na da woroma meka se me ho ye pa Mr. Kumi.
Yehu adom yɛn so yɛn ho yɛ pa. Malam anɔpa de yɛ fɛ wana yɛn kɔmɔ tiawa. Kamia so obi apɛ sɛ onyinkyɛ owiase. Obi anya ya. Na putupuru owuo de obi ampɛ. Adentina adasa nipa nyinaa oda yenti mu sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛnyinkyɛdeɛ ne agye owiase wadaroma.
Mr. Kumi, mamemfa akwanya we so na mpae ma Nyankopɔn enka wo ho. Openi a Max FM ya ne de Nyankopɔn embɔ no ho ban Max TV ene ne aka nyina na menhyira no bebree. Atie fo Nyankopɔn enhyira wo. Mr. Kumi won sɛ memba ND kan chia the CEO da. Na dentro na machase topic intra machase. Didi se a topic bi a wayi na so na bon tofa. Me papa me refa so atoa so. Sisa Kumi enyi che ewo onfaso bebre. De yan ka se wiase no enam two angles. Sunsun sem ene honam ani sem ene wiase na enam. Enti enyi che no ma memfa militiawa emra emfa the physical side. Mr. Kumi nyenti a obia pese wonyi che se enyi che no yenya yega pade a yewo enyi ni che mu na yetime de bo ho ban
89.7
Mr. Kumi enne yepeni a Max FM and Max TV any day onya ya nkobetu 100 years nanka wadi mpuntu juma a empu ebro Max FM ni Max TV so aba namme Malam Aziz eye akusia grino wo Mr. Kumi ene ya kanyina rede den yebedi ho mfaso enti eya ne ka ni je se ote asile na wo hu se oye den oye mpuntu juma Mr. Kumi sa wo ya wofo a de se wo nyia che na woni tua wo ma sunsun na wo bo mo ho ban wo na mani na wo boa wo Mr. Kumi papa bia nya ya enka bra wa bra na ma ho obenyia che na o te ho na enne ya say Max FM manager ne papa te afe na ni tua fe nia ne ba eye den eye nie obo se ne kra enya eden eni ade Mr. Kumi onyini che na edi sisi ebusia Mr. Kumi onyini che na edi boy japade ho ban Mr. Kumi o quantitative Bernard nipa onyini ache no na usunsun sem yedu na wo de bo ho ba hwe ye wo dwumadie bi wo mfiri do na etre ye resa wo ye den oye enti efi nyankwala ye mante ye mabawa a bedu ye mpeni yomu no abra wo nyini ache no ye wo good product a wo de bo wiase and the physical side na Mr. Kuni ye no free ho a ye ntia obia primi che the fear of death owu a yesuro enti na obia primi che it is say owu no ye nyinara ye wu chi ye wo ho Mr. Kuni no one knows it obia enim ye wu chi ye wo ho yen sha kontra itu kwan eko Mr. Kuni obia etu kwan a operation obetu kwan adentia obia person be make changes from place to place, from country to country adentia nipa no hu ne sese me tu kwan ko amanome a ni kodi ye ni ko pesika ni ko bobra na efesan ko fa yenchi anye ye na me samba me ti anye ni wo esemala mazizi nyame nkwa ne nia wotu kwan di porto no enyame nkwa ne wotu kwan a empo di ara den abafie wo unse me ko ye na anye ni masa ye den masa aba Mr. Kuni etie fo tie ni owo aye ka owo aye mfa ye ni hu ye se pesen aye kwa ye nsamba yi Mr. Kuni ebe du sabre na sende ye se wo firi wi asa be bia wo kono e ho te sen e ho so ye kwa ye nsamma e na trosema akodo nso ama ye ku se owo no ye kwa atembu wo ho Mr. Kuni ube de ku se heavy no mpo ubenya hell de o sha ye nyina akora hell o sha ya brabo aya bo a ama ye suru owo no e kora kire se ni wu a malam aziz wan sha ni nya heaven ni wu a wan sha na ankoyeye Mr. Kuni nka ya bia assurance o ma obia se owu a obenya heaven a Mr. Kuni enka nipa de sene kwara tre no ho wuni mi se o mo committee suicide no wo moa bra wo de ahoma no kon no o se mi fo obi biara wo committee suicide biara no wo moa se mi fo se minimum kamanye ese de bia me ko no e honye enti owu na yesuro no eno ama enne Mr. Kuni obia ebo no ho ban obia pese onyike obia pese ne akoidie na wonim every 70 years plus ko nyina no na sa ehu no eso ahya se eye den tre Mr. Kuni denti ati say ni penya 70 plus ko enti hwe ye root no yesuro wuo efen wo ma omani emprepi no Mr. Kuni do na wo hwe bra wo bo wo hwe bra wa bo legacy a waja na makoma asha se to nim se mayebi enti menya nkwaje enti omo a ase omu nsuro wuo no eye nkrofo bi a wono mo de nipa ne hwe ne dwumadi a wodi legacy a waja edi papa a waja no na amana adwene akwotre ne se ni wuchi menya nkwaje but with the 80 years 90 years kwana wa wo mi se bra bone na wo ya Mr. Kuni edonyame ubekfu se na wo yemu hyehyew Mr. Kuni ebre ni nti me nka nko bebre ye wonsam ka nanso se banyansafo se nya max fmtfo ya nyansafo yi yebu mu be ma ye nka wasem bebre Mr. Kuni yenti a ye prinyente sunsun spiritual side no ene se yesuru owu na yesuro ninti no obofu se na ye presse edenya den atena adwe na akoye se ase ye wu enso ye kosoro ba fo mo wu de be den ebeba enti ne ono abo ne bre ya wenye du bebi no ono onsuro wu nte se me malam aziz a me youth a me hwe sebe ntemfone nyema bi a me ye no na ehu aba me mu na masuro wu Mr. Kuni a fear of death enti na ye nyina ye pre enyinche Mr. Kuni
Yo, Malamaziza no pay bedo ase ene adisuade a ne Max FM atiefo acha no pay yeda se ne omre no adaje na ansa na obekọ no adaroma mubeja odama no wachire ye na ye wo ya setene mu ha bia ya brabo mu ha bia ne yemra waso ye na emo ahodo nyina wo edema no fa boy ja odama no wachire na yemfra wo
yo Mr. Kumi MPP no meka se ye no anka yem pre enye ne sa ife ya fresen ka yensu ya nanso Max FM no obo enti Mr. Kumi nyame adom ya yesunsun duma ya enhaban duma ya boa amanfo ye tufu enti se nyame adom na so bi fra na ya no apasa kwan no so next year what say me credit this year Max FM no we di hun fa so Mr. Kumi na number ye 0242
Ziz odini dwumade wa asaman kese anopai mala mama yesua de mala mchebe se onyin chesa so bi asuro wuo no crow Maminchia Captain BO oye adwuma e o Kesben FM anopai yechia o Captain BO Kesben 92.9 FM anopai mu achi yechia o se bia bokode na ye ka Kesben asem na ye koso aka abusuafo ne se general manager edema Kesben FM Mr. Kwadwo Prekodankwa o mame ayie no eba so echina ene eda memede kosi ni kwasi adanti ye bese se abusuafo nyina ani adofo nyina ye to nsa afra adofo nyina se se ho kwan no wo ho a yenkoda yenkoboa yenua bema Kwadwo Prekodankwa eda memeda osie ne mame ewo abri abri enti abusuafo ne adofo nyina ebesese yenkona yenkoboa Kwadwo Prekodankwa ebra meda okra ne mame akiri kra enti shedin kase pa ne Kesben FM abusuafo ne nyina enti eda meda yina no yebekona yakwa akobo abusuafo ne nyina enti once again enkoma Captain BO ene abusuafo na wo Kesben Mr. Fox ene hwampo aha ene nad bubu
Welcome to Friday morning.
na ena no yedika ka kira ye survive no ene abebuo yebesua de enti wabebuo bi a wo a monti ase no ene anopa no watwe eden 8 am eden no watwe okay enti ene yebesua de na sana no me wo ho na I people's parliament okay all right ena no me wo ho na pahin bi frame o na na pa eno ton sa frame na o se membra fi nyankopon adom me kwae na obedidi ti medu ha no frame ma nhoro men sa kra na me de men sa tum ena pahin bi sam se na kumi onhoro nsa na me se
89.7 Max
empenfo wa bebuo bi se akoda onim ne sa hohoro no ne mpenfo ne di yene se ho kwan na ba na agya pahin didi no aframe de na che se me ni men sa hohoro ti ma hohoro men sa dada
na nam
ana menam oh da bi kumi ko horo nsa e bia wo be we che na mse ti abebu na mo bui no
eno na ne se
se akoda hu ni nsa horo ne payin ne didi me so me hu me sa hunti na wo ton sa frem se membra na me no we me
panyini da wase wate
oye nana pa me pese me
na da wase
ti ene no ye beji mu nchirechire mu nti ATM no people's parliament ene ne nkoma na ye bedi na before that ne yenkwa na ye street vibe no ye mfanto aso but asa no ye de street vibe dwuma de ne beto aso de ama no yenkwa na yenkwohwe ne ma hodo na abusuafo de abadwa so na yentobi enkofie emfankodi ye yerenom aduane
se wada kumi se wada adede bia me ka me si me sister de wafaka o
ekrakra
ekrakra de se de ne za abrabo a wodi woni wodi na mu yi afaka pa
unse ma abrabo akachi won
adwumam no ba cha so no be kira de krache power
unse ma abrabo akachi won
min ka so abrabo ko je wa wasebwa wo na pesa wo ka de so abrabo akachi mi wate ma no kasa se me se wa abrabo akachi nti je se wo adwumam na be show krache power wo be show talent wa ha ohun yenko ye ni mu e
ye kwa edim dia na yenko pie mu ewo mega cash lucky boss ye koso aka se max 89.7 mega cash lucky boss jumadi na koso nti emfa ho ne network bi a woso bomodi aso be fa phone wa dial star 426 star 8 hash na wa send ya number 1 max tv number 2 max radio bomodi aso be select max radio anu echi ni boxes mako beba 1 to 6 bomodi aso be select o lucky box ana se o lucky number ode edi udwumade bia etade nsunsuanso pa ebrewo o select you 5 Ghana cedis ni akire fato so be di sika ma okura yamba hye obekase ye bonsam das yankopo me das se anope wo mama diska ni ntia me kan sa no sika na obedi no okura yamba hye mo anhwe ya e wo se wo fa ho aseda ma yankopo anhwe ya wo de be
mama bonsam aya de bonsam le shida bro so hu yeda mwase ayo
omodi ase mega cash lucky boss o do ho ebejima bebu api anapa yeda se yakweni
yenkwa ya nimdi akumi na mame nto aso emfri eye masbai said ye de bia masbai fo eye no a wonum adwene wonum atofo ehunti ena masbai e de sai chihye we ya ba wo kire se ene eye friday e ba ne friday nso so de ultimate say ye boja ye ba bia wu udi masbai mega cash na udi ram masbai yesi ene no eye fala friday say ye kase masbai eye fala friday a eno ne kire se eniema no ya tete so say fala kopiemu ewo masbai na kwaje wo imax 32 satellite tv ya anka ne no nanka ye 1500 ne say 750 Ghana cedis a chese 50% discount ohamu abupa adrunum ena yate free so sanso ena Sinis TV eno so eno promo ni bi akano Sinis fridge promo ni bi akano Chicago AC 1.5 2.0 2.5 ena afen so no woji a yesama free swallow maker eye kama yie papa Techno Camon 40 Techno Camon 30 eno nso so ene fala Friday no kopie mu abenya bi sanso ene Techno Spark 30 eno nso so fala Friday promo no ebi aka no mass by for say e masa akwanya wei empa wo ho esan say wo bepie mu ene de dwei pa dia ene mama boboso yi ene ne ma ka ho nyina no wo benya no ebo no a ewo fom kura so a chese eye fala yi pa from mass by was 05440 19552 0544 019552 and now 0594 091122 must buy say eba na Friday dia eye fala bomodi ana kopie mu ewo Madina Zongo Junction Tema Community 1 Junction Mall ye ho circle VVIP station da Kuma Junction ye wa ha Odo Rice eno so ewo circle Takrade yɛwɔ hɔ nom saa nso na akɔpie mu wɔ kaso nso Atakoradi station ɛno nso so yɛwɔ hɔ nom a sɛ wokɔpie mu a wobɛtumi atɔ adeɛ amena yɛ kama yie paa masbaifoɔ se wɔn ɛhwɛ wɔnim sɛ ɛnɛ dedue yɛ a ɛyɛ Fala Friday no wobɛba na ano wɔn aba bɛdi etwa
yo yɛgyina masbai deɛ na yɛnkɔ so amfa ɛho aseda ma masbai na ɔse yɛnka nkyerɛ sɛ buy 2 for less promotion ne koso bomode ambra be piem ya so ye bomode mia wani mia wo hene fa wonsa bo wo yam tone mama ko mienu ya so ye na yente so enfa ma na no ana ya tu ni din say buy 2 for less 89.7 ene ne etwi kasem na brofo ne yeto mienu ne yente so enti bomode ambra be piem ya so ye ne hia ne so be mia wani ato washing machine na wato kettle de aka ho yeso wa ya de wato ne ma mienu ya te so de ama wo enti emfa ho ne ne obeto bia wo ya so ye no bomode ambra be piem ya so ye na yente so emfa ma wo aka we nso shop you drive ya de befa mu de ama mo na ene ne de agise me kokenkan mu bansa why ti mon koso anti mas buy de promotion say koso say unim say mas buy ye check afi yo December we ye check
yes beto de na dru limit bi ne enche ka
ene asifi say mra ko timi beto de wo ya so ye nko ade aka ho
yeah
enu ncheche mu na me gise me kokan brofo ne bansa
ni nyina ne se beto ade one mas buy for endidwa efiri sabre ya ekosi December bosumi a ebetwa to kra no de hia no se wo de one mas buy ebedidwa na one mas buy edidwa ade to na wo to no se eso ani nko ade a you stand a chance
and yes eso ani ndra na ye ne reta ka
di nkomo
o se oba de na obeto charger mpo a
utimi okay
because unya be try na ya pick you
ya pick you
draw na ye be run
ya be okay
obi betimi abeto ade be 10,000 wo betimi abeto ade e bia o charger pe
wo betimi enya
ba se ye draw na se pick nko ade
ene and I need this me say wo me say apart from car no so no mo ma giveaways I no so no say empo ekoba ne se car no we enya ubetumi enya ada eyin for product and say other appliances and nti we de ye de to atofo ene must buy for edwadifo nyina anim we akwanya chese abeto ho ama odasani bia bronyan emfa wani nkyere ba bia enkoto home appliance fa wani ekire must buy na ade wani kire ho no mo a won so you stand a chance of winning a brand new saloon car kama ye pa
enchechemu ade ama yi open ye chen we ya ebia na yen latin na e kan no wanti ase bomodi aso be 0544019552 0544019552 bomodi afra ya enchechemu bi e chen ya ye de ama wanopa yi wonsa ebeka oyaso yanku anim na yemfa ye studio adwumade ne to aso emfa mana na yenkomo ne yetia wa ye bisa se ebe papa se oba hia bema ana se bema ahia oba na obeka ne past experience akere oba no eniema wafamu se ye papa se ye bone ema hodo ne o matena ni enti o ne o mujaye ema o ne o mawo ene ya to ni din ye friend body count ena no gebi hia no si kumi body count ese nam so me nan ba ko me nan mienu me nsa ba ko me nsa mienu nam se 4 to enye ne body count no body count ni tem se ema o ne o madam se ye open ma many of us hu ana bisa se no open hu bu ada be no pay ya na se se ya ubisa mi na se obema ma afi mi enu ansa na daddy be mi je abusuafo ye ma me ne ma asa nyina no pay me mama che se mo ho ye na mo da so kai me de I am unkind you, Mr. Mo.
Is it your car? I didn't know car.
Musia Bema Bina Bema no Ebisamo body count. I am
count.
Government so.
What about Juma?
Eh,
What about Bra?
Emi Shia, I want Jenna Kunjin Mienu. Yes, I'm a
Kakranza.
Yeah, Mamma.
As I went to Kakakra. Now, I wish I out to
Eh?
Wish I out to
Maybe 2 years now about to pump.
Who tell you what to put? Oh, mother was it. Oh, man, that's it. So I can't just say, I can't on answer that time. When I see a home, when I just say,
And here, besides, Papa said, where she are or baffle from Bema for person into an amount. Obetchen and Bahodua, only your must sign, and Memma Hodua, on your must sign, or Braba, one ball, or court time, and ye be a wenya, a dear Nema, or court, a dear Nema. Assembly a ton saf chese ehun be hia se wo pass experience wo ne o partner yi e be share e be susu se na obehu nipa ko a wo ye ana ehun be hia ye twa hu aba ekoba na wo ne atwetwe nkomo 0551 598321 ana 0550055522 ye ba sisi ya
Mensa Kamekao!
Now what saw dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any products from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
And stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop,
you drive. For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your ears. What? Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae's Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4, verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence Duke every Max Buy Abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out here now. Absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlets to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
89.7 Max FM, what do you do?
Kumi kasa eye baako pe edino eye baako pe menkesne kwasiada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututuka ututudam utututam wajibam watufie watubum watutodan obejibam betubam betukam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Majiwedi tina me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se
It's Friday!
It's a Friday night. Some records. It's a Friday night. At the music, yeah. Champagne for birthday. Champagne for party, oh. Champagne for birthday. Champagne for party, oh.
Welcome to Friday morning.
Champagne for party, oh. Champagne for birthday. Champagne for party, oh. Oh, yeah, ruler, okay, susu. Ayawa, afiduku. She go full like to go to school. Coffee me call down point. Because it's Friday. Yeah, go chillin'. Yeah, come and move. Yeah, go chillin'. For birthday. Champagne for party, oh. Champagne for birthday. Champagne for party, oh. Champagne for birthday. Champagne for party, oh. Champagne for birthday. Champagne for party, oh. Jody, yo. AJ, so what you see? Let's go. Money for my girls. Champagne for my baby.
Your friend no Atamos. Only Jody Friday and if you're done. Come here, see about Jenny.
For my baby.
Say, I. Young Kodao. It's ya almost a Friday, a veggie, and the idea no more de job and is almost champagne. Genuine, yeah, we are Kodasam.
So, mommy, cause we don't go Friday.
Koda Yenipa, over you any other champagne, as you any. I swear.
Everyone is here to have fun. We don't go home, we don't go beat us. So the party is over before we home. Hey, girl.
Yan boy, champagne, the young boy. Obey your crana chess.
Champagne for party.
Enjoy for your dear.
Let's go.
Eba me yam crack your crew.
For my girl. Champagne.
Epen you more, eh?
I love my sexy ladies. Come here, let's have fun. Money for my girls. Champagne for my baby. I love my sexy ladies. Come here, let's have fun. We don't go home tonight.
And your friend no Atamos in the new song what about Friday.
Home tonight. We go the way to mommy.
And Koda Kwajo money, I'm the champagne Kwajo money.
Full of enjoyment, we no go.
We are Kodasam. You Bejai.
That's to have fun. We don't go home. We don't go.
Young Quedmana, young fa, young sweet Vajima didn't trust so. And Famana. Gideon Passa Koda, that Chapana. Omo muti enyum we kra nyum ne be wo sre na ekwaje ani Friday e de champagne.
Nobody else but you are gonna make you my melodies. Girl, you got me singing. Girl, you got me singing. Oh, you got me singing.
Yeah, friend photocopy.
Girl, you got me singing.
Kwache ba. Akoda na sumo de nche papa. All right, I'm saying, What's in our sumo?
Now, some more than no, you move. Because obi asumo odin that means nipa na so ntia asem oyemu.
Ne papa kwache na tia ase. Ne papa kwache na tia ase se ne ba na asumo odin chan.
Da bi ene na so odin kasa na asumo odin.
Ah okay. Anti na so odin.
Na so odin.
Eye na asumo odin.
Da bi na asumo odin that means say o kasa wonti. Ati ase.
We are santini ampa na de wa kire mfi. Aya, mpacha me dash.
Yo, wano kasanti. Ube nyina che.
Bisa nyuma nipa 1.5 hour busuam.
Bibisa nyuma wangasa ati we.
Yo busuam ni babonda. Busuam ya yira abasa. Yo busuam ni.
Yesu Kristo ka yese. Enye mi busuam ni ne me maame ne me papa o. Me busuam ni de wone metiwa woti awrade asem ti anope ya ba fie he wo na aye busuam ni.
Awrade asem anope ni so me nya ho me ye adwuma. Yo yankwana yembisa busuafo se anopai ebe papa se be ma na so ba wa hia ne foforo ni ayefre no body count no emma oni o masan emma oni o masan emma oni o madi agro eniema hodo a asi ewa brabomu one new partner no ebeche na wahu baby a ufri na wahu baby a du kowie na wahu osu ene no ban ene nipa ko a woye ana the beautiful green o yentie o
oh kumi me tie mafam ni madwene mu nko ade enka enhia was what movie on ena emema nso so no ho se wo yoba na se wo no wonum edisa they will kind of judge you wankasa abadwen ho a wonti ase emema based on past ena omode hwe future enti no so yoba na oni be ma bi ebesan na afei o ka wo past kire ni bebre sana wo badwen ho ba ku mienu sa baba wa we kura no adache obeboa mini wati ase enti me de me gina asoba aka say enka enhia na se kwaba ne se wano yo meka mpo na eni kwan say we go into details wati ase e just o ka ba ko mienu bi anase bi a o ka de ense say ye yi bia e be ha dream bebre na then you are good to go yes aha mitumi so kakra meti
enti ehu hia se e be ka
me that to me na ehu nche da hia
omo eni omo di agro omo aye ni omo ja ye ni enti eni omo ja ye
oh so ne omo anu
prison ni eni ma me koda prison ni
oh I was say ade na di kan de e we say wonka what you say bi ho no ma I mean you just have to forget about it what you say hey but e bi ho no ma e so crucial say we say wonka nche ni pa nya say nipa no at the end of the day we hu say ni na tia wanka san so kra no things will get worse oh they said they will say bu ha koda prison ni ade e bi onim say oh yeah ex convict what you say na e be wi a kire no akoye nsem bebra I mean ka na nipa no hu so oh wa accept on a life mu what you say na emu body count ni ade de me I see it to be unnecessary
ma oni o ma sai me ma oni o
en shada hia
ehun
hia
to wonka wo de da
o say
oh
I say de mu adi ni yama ni nkwade aka na yemo ho ban nti no me body aka ba fe de he na me sa komachi
asempo pro wa na wo bo ho ban
anya ni se bi aka
mpopro wa
ebi aka
entetem
maybe nka say na anya kwe kura benya bi betim di wani hu say entertain egugu
hwe holy na ne nka say na
me hwe holy na me ne nka say nyo na wo de kofa bae enyo na
0551598321 0551598321 and I said 0550055522 yankwa hamane so ne ne abusuafo atwetwe nkommo 0551598321 0550055522 hello why
mpacho adwabaya oni matin
bawi adwabaya anamalam
adwabaya
adwabaya bawi anamalam sotum you adwabaya
yentie o
ya de no ibe wo nidi kunu bonidi
yo me mama
ba kono onu abu di choso
ya je osumi ni yentie o
Asɛm wei deɛ baabi no ho mmarima no mpo deɛ kaa na ɛnha dwen ba ɛma no mmom ne ka te sɛ bia ɔhyia ɔbaa ɔsɛ me deɛ me ne mmarima 20 ada me ne mmarima 30 ɛne ɛbɛputuɛ off ba mmarima no yɛyɛ 3 boys no so yɛn ne deɛ me especially me hyia me wife foforɔ the chance me deɛ me yɛ obi a me ntumi ntumi zitum ntumi da wade no so ɔtaa hyɛ nika deɛ a ɛmmoa me mɛtaa bie nti no ma ɔntaa nhyɛ nika deɛ a na sɛ ne tɛm deɛ megisa no ɔde ma me deɛ deɛ monti mekyerɛ no sɛ yes meyɛ pre meka mema ne hui mesuban sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɔkyena bi no so nti me baabi no sɛ wohyia ɔbaa no na woka kyerɛ no sɛ sei na meteɛ mewɔ ba baako meka kyerɛ sɛ mewɔ ba mekeka nneɛma bebree kyerɛ no ma ne agya sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔkyena bi so wokɔhu a ne ho ɔnkɔfa bufuo ma meka sɛ before no me ne ɔbaa bi ne ɛwɔ first me ne ɔbaa no meka sɔre no nyinaa kyerɛ no yɛgyaayɛ na mehyia no meka sɔre no nyinaa kyerɛ no ɔn sɛ later no ɔbaa no yɛ sɛ nkɔbɛba back to me ɔbaa mi dɛm ɔbɛfa me phone ɔhwɛ me phone so ɔkɔhu later na menwale no ne ɔnsomahu no foforɔ na ɔfrɛ no ɔne ne ko ana mebɛma me ne ne te ana woba afei mebaa mebɛhu ya me sɛ how me so mankasa ɔmo kontɔkɔ wie na megye phone no afei good kwansi ana me wife yi frɛ me ɔfrɛ me ahwa na ɔda me sɛ simasi na ɔmo dɛm but already no medi ka story ne nyinaa kyerɛ no nti wamfa nyɛ asɛm bebree na gya me kokuru no ana nti sometimes nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ no a wanka me kora na nkyerɛ ɔbaa no na sɛ later wobɛhu no a ɛde nsɛm ba nti me de menya a de ɔka bi but bi wɔ hɔ no afiri sɛ ɛyɛ difficult a deep a na wapɔ so but ɛmaa no deɛ ɛyɛ difficult sɛ ɔbaa bɛka kyerɛ sɛ me ne mema 20 ada me ne ma 30 mema 30 ada ɛmfa ɛde bɛputu off ɛba saa na atade no ɛsene ɛwɔ mu nyinaa atutu
ɛyɛ ama no ɔmo te so ahu
ose
ɛma no ɔmo nka no kora yɛ ɔmo te so
because even kora ɔte so kora na ɔntumi nka bebree ɔbɛtumi aka sɛ mafa mema mmienu mema mmiɛnsa ɛnso bi a na ɔboa ɔbɛhwɛ no ɔbɛkɔ akɔfa list abɛyɛ no ɔnam bɛyɛ 45 50 dɛta ɛsene nyinaa atutu woyɛ no hwɛ ɛnyɛ yie ɛna wɛntie mmɔ preparation wɛntie mmɔ preparation
tutu ano ane sɛ wobubo both and not no wabubo
masa
deɛ ɛyɛ na masa
ɛyɛ bi a both and not yɛde bɛbɔ mu fiti ahyɛaseɛ no ɛnya tu a
ɛno ano no
ne ade bɛbɔ bi ɛkɔ so thread chima na ato afa so hello why
Kumi
yeah majo so
ona body chese ni
manga
empacho odi ni ba bia frefi
mbaje frame ona body chese
sa oyo
anopa dia so ahama ni twitwa wadar ma so odi
mbaje frame ona body chese
otiana wadar ma oso ona bodai wadar ma
ona boyonko wate ona boyonko
ona bodai
ona body chese
ona body chese ona body chese anopa yenti odi chese yenti
mechia no ti wa ba pa green nose
Bruno mpacho akosia green nose joso ai bejoso
abebu hima are mechia ono nso
no beba
Kumi ya kwa asem so dia me dia to me na hu hia because ne mebu ho akokeka chapter no akroso hu hia ye mu say dia nya ni bia na etumi ka akoka hwe na akotwa azma ba nti no se ugya no mom ye chense ugya no mom ye chense ubeka no because ukumi say kwa da wo mo pe nkura bo ngorezi because kumi aminim ne die okorezi an oba ne beja no ho akọ I think say new kwanza okafe
okay honorable dictation anopa yeda se oni yen ache enkomo 0550055522 0551598321 honorable dictation anopa yeda se the way ni yankopo nduaka na anopa bibia boko the boy is sure say no pay bibia eda fan there
bibia fine
yenim ye ho ntie hu ye ho a
me kwa de bi hu mpo
bibia fine
we sure
oh yeah bibia
ana no la de ni bia
da bi ona ye na ye members ntie hu ye ho a ye hu ye ho we sure say no pay bibia kama there
bibia fine
oh yeah sure say no ada yi
bibia fine
Asa no pe wasi muntam ajaye.
Bibi fine.
All right, that's it. That way no pay that.
David, man, no one share the past experience.
Okay, the video of a canasem. Or see me be fine.
Hey,
Bibi fine.
When
you made the bro.
Atamas I don't pay it to say.
Oh, I do it. I'm going
Bon somebody me be and FM. Bon somebody and they change a couple of Atamas them I ain't you.
And a pretty and better but one of you know fresh. I cannot cause up on a you know or and so I'm a you know about what I black account.
Why say no?
I'm going to go.
Hey, you be invited to the studio. I'm about to hear her. Compare the say why sing. Dear sing.
Atayentio.
Oh, but the is any one ma I walk my customer I have boa and the Pomumi Nankasa. But then about first 1 minute no quick. The second one, I'm a national. No, I wedding to our dada. Nadama on it. Or you depend watching that too. Or you depend watching that. Let me get you question because I mean, what's wrong? Yes, I'm 2 minutes there. Until to that. No, but I don't know to mean to because I'm there. Your mayor must have made me be and to the police station. Cry, woman, with him. And if you want to wear that, on 2 minutes, we have GBR, or bet you matter. It is a number bear one to do on ma. As I said, what kind of the channel, so I bear own friend do. Into open do one because I saw above one dada. Mr. Kakram is more canning.
You, Atamax, Ewo, Tema, and pay Yadas 0551 598321 0550 055522 0551 598321 and I said 0550 055522. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Why?
Kwame
Kwame, I'm not paying to say.
Namenado.
I mean, you who are doing your hair, Kwame, ain't you?
Let's master a chief for animals, TV, chief for. Then I am preparing and say yes, yet I was you. Because and I would be market day and I'll pay a radical share. Yet the radius will be the ODM cranche and market day, young Kamwa. As that cow too for Yakupon over years to be no more.
Amen. Kwame, I don't call Kansas or Diana.
May Pacho there be as some Pakan Evangel Yamiasam.
And as is all you do, my bang.
Yakazam, your driver, I can't add in Yamiasam to count. I am your Tama, medical as a Pakan. And I'm your Taman, some medical.
You, Kwame. Ain't you?
Me at Mimquanka, with the Akamonia. Because we know dear Pina Mobay, ever be Sibisa, and my son, I wish ya, then my son, I wish ya. A Bazana, I am Quiji. The movie would be somewhere while I'm one. Move the Odia, now you trim the chip. Those we had to a chip. And you feel I maybe started, Mamma and Abemo in your oil, baby, and win ya. In the Bubo, which is some Bawalia. I'm up for Cosudia Budia, chip. Then I'm with your poor. How much was up? I didn't try a crab.
You, Evangelist Kwame, Yadas, you no pay. Yadas, pa, say, or the Unkoma boy in Jimmy Evangelist. Yadas. Hello.
Hello.
Why?
Gift is also.
Sister gift you are not paid to say.
Yamia do Bonamoso.
Moko,
Yamia do me here.
Yamia.
Ain't you?
Thank you. Whom you have always said in your trim. Near some of your trim that. And the Akano, and I will go by. But I said, they are all back, and then they won't me thank you. But my mother draw your madam, mother draw your mother, dear. Then quite immediately say, whom here. Because all can out tell you no crab is not so. Eddie, do what thing. Eddie, to two, where they are 7 years, they didn't say, whom here.
Say, oh, say Musubani na quite say Yaga yo Batman Kofori, yes, Emo
and
Tuma say more cano.
Batman ya Kofi and your Kofori.
And sister could be and sister. Yes, I know. Oh, baby, I'll call Bessiana. Obi a call ye be for that. And I'll rent it. Obi will have back. Now, and yet possible for so be sure baby on him, my 10. I did it. And yet possible will be. Maybe I brought her back on you.
Sister, give to also them.
No,
and you're possible, say.
Maybe possible. Me defending the point, you know. We have dating and we have flings. What you say?
Oh,
flirts no any dating. I get it. What's say? Make a flirt or the TSA. Flirts no you be a say one night stand. What probably no ye day and no dating. But talk dating.
80 Oma no ma flirting no omo de omo nkan.
Omo de amunye dating.
My nkan omo nkan.
Any dating.
Aboda ma hesi. Sister gift here that she no pay. Oni obi ahia ene
yo yate.
Yeah that's oni obi ahia na woni nipa na koda. Wo say ye kan ma ye nkan omo nkan omo anu omo dating na ye nkan kan.
Na there onu candidating on kan o say o tie ne point no. O say to me mba say oba be date up to and as a more than 10. More than 10. And I make sure say a dating no any dey possible but we can flirting there it is possible. What you say? Or can dating on can flirting.
Mate.
Ntiji tum sa any possible sir.
Mate why? Yen ko yen say na mo de mo de kwato de ne bodwe for the crab
his chest growl.
Hello,
good morning. This is Victor Anderson.
Okay, udi baby afrefi udi ni biom.
Victor Anderson. And that's the article boy say.
Ampa minimo ho article bubu ashi.
Hey,
Pamino. Yentio.
Me, Sanya man, dear me, Yaka, Jai, because sometimes, no, or Bible or a story, no, what's in the story on Bukrana. I always say, Adianasa. Oh.
What done, Adianasa, at 12 you had.
Oh. And sometimes it is some stories be a matter. I think the best thing is saying Jai. Never was a piano in the past. Oh, sometimes young man be brain. Oh, sometimes the part of me find a mouth and they're saying Jai.
It's a my
no, cry. I think me come across your baby. Like a mechanic. The story and the young book I'm on. My name is Adin.
Oh, who's Adianasa? Adian is a woman's ass. Oh, it is Sasa. I read Asa.
All right, yet I say, I know what you have for article. We are sharing your mind. We are saying, but he's Susanna Yana, a you.
So,
any more.
The way you blow my mind, and I cannot deny. I love the way you teach me. Anytime I'm late, nobody knows, nobody gets, nobody knows the things you teach me. Nobody knows why you my best friend. Nobody can stop our friendship.
I'm 0551 59832 and I say 0550 055522. Young Quena, young common. So, hello. Hi.
Hello, I'm a penny phone. I say, that may just say, I tried to say, you can not new phone is a side throw.
Also, for now, we should have swag through.
Let me just say,
James, why trampa, I'm coming to the moon. I come,
James.
James, I'm not paying you.
And can a young na wo ye bebusa but say nimpa no beka no kra ne en na asem no ka ye kan na nka ye kan no kra na nka wo be decide say impe ebia waye be ye 20 no che say ya de na mi je ho nti me nye obi a me pa na me ntwene ho ansa na but wo busa no kra on kan no kra ncho ada be ma no ba obi an kan no kra nti na ma I say ho hia but ka ye be kan no kra de anka ho hia
who here pass I was saying
and can you one kaya pa then will be take decision say and it makes me an impanatna and I mean because will be I be 100 no just I will be up what's the idea when in home baby what I say and think you be kind of credit and can here but obi any who be kind of crash up tina my say na ya idea no e be bon price o mechanic na ye busa
yeah James Yadase, Yanfa 3 course and Kahona, Yanfa of Fred Jumadiano, and see 3 more course now, Yanfa Fred Jumadiano, 0551 598321 0550 055522 a friend I do a feeding that I am a quab by Edin Commonia because I said, Papa said, Bama Shioba, or Bashia Bama, no be kind of past experience. At Chenan, now so we be sad not a bonimo. A bear papa. Hello, hi.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, now we need baby Afrefi.
Yo, because every mala, my Rose.
Udinibium, my Rose.
Ah,
Malam,
my someone more can not say, you see, I may man, I was a cardiac, very trim.
I said,
Mrs. I won't say, yes, because I will car, or the big glass, and come to see our way. Now, make you see, I'm not studying. Maybe I do not catch her, but just any matter. And she, and who has a better.
And the work can say, Mumu, dear. Ain't he own can only but my Rose, yeah, that's why. That's it. But she said, no one can cry out to them. She said, one can you move be experience new crying away and son.
And then one more some.
Yeah, you said there be a diabre.
Dear Nabre. A dear Nabre. Could we get ye both at Yabre? Oh, yeah, dear.
Yeah, ye both at Yabre.
Oh, yeah, they. Oh, yeah, they. Ah, a dear Nabre.
Me young to me, Papa, Penna, Samaraza, Samara, Merabe. Girl, you got me singing. Girl, you got me singing. Oh, you got me singing. Girl, you got me singing.
All right, you're queer when I can't 2 I can't 2 course. Hello, when you.
Sorry, it's all myself like article.
Oh, article, Bubuashi, ain't you?
I want the James versus I say, man, kind of credit. Also, the kind of credit to them over Daniel. What about to say, number could be the Lamington, can't tell me, don't worry me. Number also, Michelle Club. What is I am on the mother? Want to go beyond war. So the best thing is that they enjoy.
Max FM.
Oh, I enjoy because I think sometimes there might be coso. Sometimes one night stand. Sometimes I idea what that will become. Sometimes so the business I mean that then the one ya but they say oh I was saying say oh okay I will be on a rough path. Oh because maybe you are your power after my oh but sometimes the stories no sometimes your balance don't book about it with me. Oh sometimes yes be around no so be our one na no one say until I won't say the pan bet my boano. Oh so sometimes the business infant say a past life and a rough life. Oh after let me say also on can say on no after man be on.
Yeah.
We are also here and here we are. But the reckon the question yeah I can't what will be I'll be on what will be.
You.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Or since you can't say a can of credit, I shall be on what you be. I shall be on what you be. You. Yenny about my Hayford. I will fear Yenno and I a D and Jumedia who do you now fear. Hayford are not petty saying.
Yamiadum,
Bibiaboko,
Biaboko, and you cry.
Ɛnyɛ nso a mentimi mmoa wo.
Wa wo hundia.
Ye din komo na ye bisa se hefo de be papa se be ma hie oba hia be ma na one ne din komo be bisa no ne past experience me ma oni omo atena se e ma oni omo sign pen e me ma omadwamu e ma omadwamu e be papa se na e be boa ma wahu nipa na one ne nante ne suban e be papa
mpelfo ka se mi se wonu okunani be nante a ana se wo wore okunani a bisan se den ekunu kunu eso wo bisa de ekunu kunu ansan ye den wona nante
se ba ne sanso na wo kai na re ho
o da bi na what you say de ekunu onu na nam so na ekunu wi a we den e wo so ku no no ku a we den hu nti nyina ne se e we bo won hu o stand eni ni paban a ote won mpempi no relationship no se won bisa experience past experience the esi wo mu I can find ehun shena hia gidigidi but at least a hint of it is okay for you to know whom you are dealing with. And oba nso the we list we almost we try to this year. Yes. Oba the we list we try to this year. Nti the ebo an say we bisa kakra the ohwe ebe hia ono no bisa wan kan no kren so any chenchen on afi we down we hu no kren no.
Nti bisa kakra no ene ne we he
at least nipa ina no matnada me de hu hia mame because with the body count hu hia mame pa
identity na hu hia ma
na fa say kumi uko ware oba na ka say oh on mema be 50 and date that o sha be we okay
say your do asem
there be you are although say love is blind but we so be when na mo be ko dey show so to say body count no so make who the lady is ko worry about at least only member be back on me no it's okay but say bo be 6 7
hot tip say on a member be 15 na one kind of crunch or no see you member me no pe
otubo alongside no say on net na sen komodi mu no e tell be abo say nsem bi ha pin kitin afu so ex bi ho so you know akaso no crop to dating na ba na say mo ye 4 afi cover 5 6 sa won hu go to be 7 wom
ohun 7 me who our catch say 2 be den
ye ka bua na wale ne ya wo san wachi
ma ye misa ye ma me say nkomo yi nya ye nia be ma he for the kan of an say akofa ma chi
yeah
ibi aboko
abrantie ahane
nkomo yi a ye nia be ma di odwen ho say we share with new partner ho be hia say ubebisa no mema oni o ma sign ansana o share.
Okay, beside you to me bisaba is depending on the person. You can decide to say it, you can decide not to say it. Because remembering the past, and I say talking to your partner about the past, to me because of that, and I say I work in so now one in a relationship, now I say to me so no so in front of him, but to me I would so that whenever you are having a conversation, I say bibi na odekai. So to me, it's not necessary to even talk about the past because let the past go. We just remember the past to amend the future. And then it depends on me. If I want to say it, fine. If I don't want to say it, and I will advise that you shouldn't say it because bebrena aka ana the misunderstanding about my relationship. Be maybe I mean no so on your baby worry or anisa and ya ka wo pass kire me and ya ka kire me and obey you ko ka kire no so me pass ni say and am yin simple say ni say if you more wa hwe na o see dabi wo dey mean to be no montena chese no kona maka kire wo no more worry o so the girl was thinking so more worry the oka say ya worry but enu tie gina so ma divorce by so why should I tell you about my past? So what we na so kana some say anya no kra na abeje de wo na wo de wan adwen kan but every manu but every menu mo ma say and am ye say and am dey 15 way me dey way na wo be ma no so e bia na wo kwa dey be say 50 ladies na no obema there do you have the right to date and a woman there she doesn't have the right e bia wo ko mu no ansosidi na akofofrom ansosidi na ansosidi because I told you, one person did not say, even if you are dating, you should date about 3 or 4 men. Because who knew dear? And yes, dating, well, you know, dating one thing means, and yes, dating, when you are dating, then you are, say, you're sleeping together. That is not dating. But we are, for dating, let's say, they are me dating with the and I'm a never sexual intercourse and all that. And on dating is you are studying the people. They are and I so I can date 50 men. I just want one from them. Na me fa nti me kasa me date yi na say wa misunderstanding na wa kwa for the bibia emwa
menu ya he for rosempa
dating dey o say I can't say krobia ne say no fa ne nsemfa krobia ha say you o ka say ya che kronfa do come police station abrochi say o che kronfa do come police station boko aha de eja
ye be birimu ka
ye be kakrampo ye birimu ku wa ze kakra nti Africa ha say no dating when they say dating, you can date as many as you can. You know, you are just trying to know who the person is, the behavior and the character. But for me, you know, for so dating the part 3, they all have different characters. So automatically, you end up choosing. Maybe it's not you end up choosing the wrong one because you feel as a way suban. That's all how I always say suban. Also, I say obiade. But if you date one after the other, you get to know who the person is very well, and you get to know how to deal with the person. And personal, but past it is necessary to say, okay, so one can not be yes. You don't judge me like this. I don't judge based on your past. I just want to know who I'm dealing with. Until you have so who now only the last and our past natural. It's a dating, no. If I say dating part 3, now if I say who your papa, no can so you send that. Where can your papa? But I can say, we need send that. No, about Bonnie knows we need that. I end up choosing the about Bonnie, no.
Because we need
send that. Because that's where my eyes, I was me justify the wrongdoings, no. What's it, no?
You need say you go on this and your money, and no, just say your papa and on your papa because anything can happen. Obia when you say good, I don't just want to move you. And I know just a baby back to you. Internal camp, we don't have to. I mean, based on that to say things, but obinomo African mentality ni adientino. Omo ye you be who yin say best 5, so what best 6. Na no so obeka dey. And so we don't base on that. But the thing is, if you are dating and you say you are dating people about 3 men, you have to study them. Because I know someone all dating best and say and then even when she was telling us about the person, no, we are saying this, and also I'm seeing something that you are not seeing. So, and you date and you choose. What I say, yeah, now for you.
Hey, for that, I pay. Oh, baby, I'm in the tear. O person who miss no the past experience and which you
oh.
Radio presenters, they were henny. So, oh, Bob Baba could pay din or radio. So,
maybe about me to my bonny day, I'm me who no past experience, but I want cramp. I think on no catch me.
Okay.
Yes, and it is like what our mother said. Dating, person who send what first. Yes. Did you know a person who? Oh, you have your friend if you are Mimi. Yes, if you are Mimi. Yes. Or Kofodio.
Sir.
Temuwa. If you want until you won't be.
2 Kofodia for Trimpana.
Sempre trade cross country. We got to go.
2 are home premo.
Oh, David. You shall minis canty. You shall no madi.
Meko Kofodia and the Fanana Mamma Mekwamin Cochiano.
Oh, David, now you so phone.
Semi Nifie.
Kofodia can on 2.
Yeah, yes, only me.
Oh, David, what's the number of Jamada?
Everybody else say,
yeah, no, everybody, I'm fine. I'm going to only baby or tea.
Maybe who you
mammy can say, Mincho, Ejina Moon. You have what you can make a be a social. Ejina Moana, yes, say, obey Jana, maybe we are. Ye manisika wankota rumano na chese krono na obon wonam ho onyai sika ama na mama ni peduano so ama enti besinne ejiramoa enti binja nam ho kro no bo
ane
enti yesrew enam we die yemfa nje se ane where we yada
okay now we
what that how who dia
na bi o asebo ka e fi mi hu de bi sa do
radio su dia body e bia bo
ase ma ware we fa mi ye ti da
aso be mi sa o wana
wana wo ka
me di kai me to ansa na e bia me yere
e hu asa what ni aba
chale he body da say all right yeah that say yeah the common be see wa ba mu adwenchiro nim dia wa boa ma enkomo ya bedum pempe so yeah that say ho anya kopon hira o yeah friend is to